Look, I love a good backyard hangout, but nothing kills the vibe faster than a cold night or a fire pit that's a total pain to light. I spent the last few weeks testing out the most popular outdoor fire pit tables on the market to see which ones actually hold up. I've lived with these 5, cooked on them, and sat through some windy nights to find the real winners.
Product number 1. Bali Outdoors 42-inch propane fire pit. When I first unboxed this Bali Outdoors table, the weight of the ceramic top really surprised me. It doesn't feel like that cheap, flimsy metal you see at big box stores. The assembly was pretty straightforward, and I loved how the 20-pound propane tank hides completely inside the wicker base. No ugly hoses tripping anyone up. When I clicked the igniter, the 60,000 BTUs kicked in fast. I'm telling you, it gets seriously hot. I spent an evening with friends around this, and even the person furthest away stayed warm. The blue glass beads look great reflecting the flames, and once the party's over, I just pop the lid on to use it as a full-sized coffee table. If you want a sleek, modern look that actually pumps out heat without the smoke, this is the one I'd put on your patio.
Product number 2. OutView 36-inch fire pit with 2 grills. The OutView is a bit of a beast, but in a good way. It's a wood burner, so it feels more like a real campfire. What caught my eye immediately were the 2 swivel grills. I actually swung them over the flames to sear some burgers while the wood was still crackling, and it worked like a charm. You can height adjust them so you don't burn your food. The geometric cutouts on the side aren't just for looks. I noticed they really help with airflow, keeping the fire from getting choked out. It's a 3-in-1, so when I wasn't grilling, I used the solid lid to turn it into a round dining table. It's sturdy enough that it didn't wobble on my uneven grass. This is the perfect pick for anyone who wants that authentic wood fire smell and loves to cook outside.
Product number 3, High Calidity 35-inch fire pit. Handling the High Calidity, I noticed the steel felt thick and durable, which is a relief since these things usually sit out in the rain. This one is a bit more compact than the OutView, but follows a similar 3-in-1 vibe. My favorite part during testing was the dedicated charcoal pan. Most fire pits make you throw charcoal right on the bottom, but this pan keeps things organized and makes cleanup way easier the next morning. The 2 cooking grates swivel 360 degrees, which I found super helpful when I needed to move the food away from a flare-up without burning my hands. It's got a circular ring at the bottom that makes it feel really planted and stable. If you're looking for a solid, multifunctional wood burner that won't break the bank, this High Calidity model is a very safe bet for your backyard.
Product number 4. Say's 42-inch gas fire pit table. The Say's table is all about that volcano look. It comes with lava rocks instead of glass, and when I turned the dial up to the full 60,000 BTUs, the glow was incredible. Setting this up took me less than a minute once I had the tank ready. I noticed the tabletop is extra wide. I had 4 people sitting around it with drinks and plates of snacks, and nobody felt cramped. It's CSA listed, which gave me some peace of mind while I let it run for a few hours. The flame control is on the outside, so I didn't have to reach through any hot metal to adjust the height. It's a simple, effective propane setup. If you host a lot of patio parties and need plenty of room for guests to set their drinks down, you'll appreciate the extra surface area here.
Product number 5, DeVoco Outdoor Fire Pit. The DeVoco is the most versatile of the bunch for a small space. It's a 32-inch square design that feels very manageable. While I was testing it, I actually tried it out as an ice bucket first, just filled the basin with ice and drinks for a barbecue, and it worked great. Later that night, I swapped the ice for wood and used it as a traditional fire pit. The mesh spark screen is a lifesaver. I watched a few embers pop and the screen caught every single one before they could hit my deck. It's a bit more back to basics compared to the big propane tables, but it's incredibly easy to move around. If you're tight on space or want something you can occasionally take camping, this is a fantastic budget-friendly choice that covers all the bases. Outro. That's the breakdown on the best fire pit tables I've tested this season. Whether you want the clean heat of propane or the crackle of real wood, one of these should fit your vibe perfectly. Make sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices. Would you like me to compare the maintenance for propane versus wood-burning pits?